lads.
So then, if you've been following me on Instagram, hang on, let me just wipe the camera. I can't see anything there, but we'll just YOLO it. If you have been following me on Instagram, you would have seen me been saying something big is happening to the car this week. One of those things was the wheels. We've got the wheels done yesterday. Well, today actually, this is a 2-video day to be fair. But the reason I've got the wheels done is for the second thing. We're getting the car wrapped again. Now I know this is going to be like a massive surprise to everyone. What the fuck, Lee? What the hell? What are you doing? Blah, 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 blah. Give me a minute, let me hear you out, okay? First of all, I've never really truly been over the moon with the colour. I was at first when it was like wintry and it was usually darker, but in the sunlight, the colour just doesn't stand out enough. When it hits direct sunlight, the colour just looks mucky and dirty. It's neither bronze nor pink. So when I go to car meets, it just doesn't stand out enough, and car events and shows, it just doesn't stand out enough. That's always been in the back of my mind. I love the colour in dark light, but in highlight, not so much. Now, let me get into the things. The main other thing, I've always wanted an Evo 9 red bumper. Always wanted an Evo 9 red bumper. And we've got one, it's in there. The Evo 9 red bumper is in the car. It's still in its packaging, you'll be able to see it there. It was a bit of a pain getting it in, but I got it in. Obviously, when I got the wider wings, I had to get them wrapped. You have to order them from a different batch. Now, the wider wings, you guys won't be able to tell, and you probably won't be able to tell in person, but when you spend a lot of time around the car, I can tell. I can tell that the wings are from a different batch than the rest of the car. The flip is a little bit different, and the finish is a tiny little bit different because of the flip. So I didn't want to get the Evo 9 red bumper and then I'd have the same issue with the wings where I look up and I just see a different total fucking thing. Didn't want to do that. Next thing, the car's just got loads of little imperfections. The wings were rushed, not the wrapper's fault, but it was my fault. The wings were rushed. There's a scratch here when the trim flew off and it scratched the trim. There's a scratch here when the trim flew off. There's just loads of little imperfections on the car, and for me to pay to get it all looking right in this wrap, it would have cost me more than getting a whole new wrap. So when you tie all them things together, what do you get? A new wrap. So we're getting a new wrap. I need to stress this, to be fair, because I've spoken to DB Wraps is not wrapping it again. DB Wraps is not wrapping it again. Now I need to stress this. DB Wraps did nothing wrong. DB Wraps did an amazing job. It's just I want to change, and Dan didn't enjoy doing this car with the Evo, and Dan lives 2 hours away. So Dan's not doing the car again. Yay, cheeky. We're giving it to a trusted guy who lives a lot closer. It's the same guy who wrapped that Fez Girls car and did an amazing job, and I know some of the cars wrapped around here. It's wrapped that car in Stockport, which is like 25 minutes of me. But we're given the amazingly fun job of wrapping the Evo. Apparently it's an awful job to wrap that car, and I've chose a colour, obviously chose a colour a couple of weeks ago. I have kept it really quiet. The patrons will know, the patrons know exactly what colour it is. I'm going to go and get a picture of the roll in a minute and send it to the patrons. For the third time lucky, are we going to get a wrap that we love? So that's why we went with the anthracite black wheels, and that's why you've not seen many things on the Evo recently, because we've been planning this and I didn't want to do any more mods until I got the car done. But it's going to be a gorgeous colour, guys. It's not a flip colour, it is a single colour, but it's a bit of a twist. We're going to have the 9 rear bumper on, the new wheels. It's going to be something that I absolutely fall in love with again. There it is. Oh, it's going to look so... It looks so different. Look how different it looks on camera.
Same, mate.
Isn't it weird?
Cameras never pick up the proper colours.
So there it is. We was a little bit worried about it not turning up on time.
Yeah.
What was you? Oh no.
Well, Adam said that would be here.
It would be here, and it is here. Oh. Currently, we've got Reese's RS in here in a minute. I'm going to black and white this clip, don't worry. But wow, so this is going to be pretty. What's this one been like wrapping?
It's been quite easy.
Has it? Yeah.
A few issues with the paint, probably it's had a few paint repairs in the past.
Oh, has it? That's what I'm worried about mine when you take mine off. Will it be alright? So you love it, do you? Yeah, it's sick. It is sick.
Mate, that's one that's so good.
Oh, isn't it?
Proper chromatic, mate. It's like gonna stand out in the sun.
I know, that's what I need. I was just saying to the camera, because in the sunlight is where that car looks crap. So I'm good. I'm black and white in all these clips.
It's gonna look sick.
Oh. I'm just a little bit worried at you because I don't know how nice my car's gonna be to work on.
I hope it's better than this one.
What to know? My car's a little bit bodged with the front bumpers and that.
Been having all sorts of problems with this.
Really?
It's a prime example.
What is it?
Paint.
Oh, is it? Well, mine's been flattened down, hasn't it? So I'm a little bit worried about that.
No, yours will be fine. If anything though, when you flat it down, it sticks really bad to it. It's like a primer surface.
Oh, so it'll come off easy?
No, it might leave all the glue on.
Oh, right, okay.
So like, it might come off easy, but all the glue will stick to it. What you generally find if you flat a bit of a panel, when you peel it off, it peels off clean, but on the flatted area, it leaves all the glue. You'll have to see.
So are you a bit worried, or are you alright? Oh, yeah. We'll see tomorrow.
See how late I'm here tonight.
Yeah, that's the 9 rear bumper. Do you want to get it out, or?
No, we'll be
No?
leave
You'll
it.
be- I don't know how the rear bumper comes off. I've personally never had it out, but you know. It's not a bad finish, is it? Straight from Mitsubishi, so it should be good. Oh, the wheels look so much better black. They're just how they are. I don't know why that bit's faded and that bit isn't though.
I'll see if I've got some satin black.
Yeah.
It'll match that up.
Yeah, definitely. I don't know why that's faded so easily.
It's not like a said thing to do to wrap the plastic, but we'll do it anyway.
Oh, wrap it. All right, okay, cool. Yeah.
No doubt, but you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But with plastic, you shouldn't really wrap onto it.
Does it not stick very well? Well, my interior is plastic and that stuck pretty well. Hopefully we'll have some left over so I can redo my interior.
No, but was it painted? Silver or something?
No, it was like a blue plastic. Yeah, it was a blue plastic.
So if it was blue, then it's like a smooth finish, or it'll stick to it.
Oh, right. Oh, well, that isn't, is it?
It's when it's a raw plastic.
Hmm. Oh, man, it's going to be so good.
Leave it now, look. How nice that is.
What? The heat?
Peel it off.
Oh, peel it off. Oh, the heat of it. Do it for the video.
Well, peel it
We can get a good thumbnail then. I'll peel it. I've done it before. Fuck it. I'll send it, me. Should we grab a corner here and send it or what? Shall we? Shall we?
Yeah, do it.
Go on then.
It's hot in the corner.
Not as hot. Oh, he's got it here. He's got it.
There's the engine going on in there.
So I've never seen what it looks like underneath. Oh, it's coming off lovely, that, isn't it? Right, we'll get a big bit and then we can get a good thumbnail. Don't put it off all the way, just so it looks like it, you know. Oh my god, that looks so satisfying. Oh no. Is that not what you want?
No, that's not what we want. Like, obviously it's been bedded down, but when you've had it resprayed, it's not.
So what would you do? Would you just get like a DA on that, like
Yeah,
a
I'll just feather it out.
Yeah.
I'll feather this section across here.
Don't put this on your Instagram.
No, it's on my Snapchat. Is it allowed on my Snapchat?
No, because I'm not fucking released a video yet. Yeah, it's a converted castle. How cool's that?
Oh.
15th century castle.
Well, do you live here, Taylor?
No.
You don't even know.
So we've just done the bonnet because it was hot and we just wanted to have a bit of banter and get a thumbnail. But Adam is going to be doing the similar sort of thing we did last time. He's going to be posting little updates on his Instagram, obviously after this video has gone live. Like little, like, you know, behind the scenes sort of things which I wouldn't even get to see, you know, no one would get to see, like little awkward bits or whatever he wants to post. So go over to his Instagram, give him a follow. I'm going to be eagerly watching his stories to see where she's at. And I've asked him to, if anything's like pissing him off, put it in the story because that's what we all want to see. Look at the paint. This is how much flattened down had to go on last time. Like, you got your work cut in for you lads.
To be fair, you can
We've already agreed, no going backsies.
do it, should I? Yeah.
I'm actually going to wrap the Clio.
Go ahead with the video. Unwrap it.
Yeah, because I said I was going to take the wrap off. And then we kind of said no to that idea, which is probably the best idea.
Save me a job.
Save you a job, yeah, but well. So she's going to be totally different. I'm going to fall back in love with her again. And she, like, excited. Right, we'll let you get on with your jobs because I know you're very, very, very busy, guys. Thank you. Go over to Instagram. Keep updating funny stuff. So like, and just be you. If something's being a cunt, say it's a cunt. It's a cunt. If the whole car's a cunt, don't say it's a cunt. I know. It's gonna be all when I'm editing it. I have to keep blocking out the words. Goodbye. The second treat of the day. This is the car we're driving home, boys. Rear wheel drive. We're gonna get some scoots on the way home.